In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Windows 10 back to default. In our Start menu in the bottom left-hand corner of our screen, we are going to click on our Settings cogwheel. In our Settings menu, you may need to resize your window to view all options. Under our Update and Security tab, click that. And then on our left-hand sidebar, we're going to go down to the Recovery tab. Under Recovery, we have a Reset This PC option. Let's go ahead and click Get Started. We should get a little wizard to pop up, and it will ask us if we would like to keep my files or remove everything. In this case, we'll just go ahead and click Keep My Files. And then once you click this reset button, it may take up to 3 hours to fully reset this PC. Please note everything in the bullet points. Of course, we can go back and hit Get Started and remove everything. This is a better option if you are getting rid of your computer. And of course, under Change Settings, we can turn on the drive eraser to clean the drive of your data to help protect any personal info. This has been a video by nephew.tech.com, and I hope you've learned something.